The effects of the war. The war had a great impact on the entire continent, both financially and psychologically. From a continent of creditors, Europe turned into debtors. Weimar Republic and its supporters, mainly Democrats, Socialists, Catholics, faced a number of problems and were called mockingly as November criminals. The First World War left a deep imprint on the European society. Soldiers, they came to be placed above the civilians. Politicians laid great stress on the need for men to be aggressive, strong, and masculine. The media, it glorified trench life, but the truth was that the soldiers lived miserable lives in these trenches. They faced poisonous gas and enemy shelling, aggressive war propaganda, and national honor occupied central stage in the public sphere. Democracy was indeed a young and fragile idea. Political radicalism. People were dissatisfied with the Weimar Republic and they wanted to bring some changes and they also opposed it. Now, Spartacist League was formed. It is a political party or an organization which opposed Weimar Republic. Spartacist League was a group on pattern of Bolshevik revolution in Russia. It was demanding Soviet style of governance. But Weimar Republic opposed this and crushed the uprising with the help of Free Corps, as they wanted democratic republic and Spartacists wanted Soviet style of governance. So there was a clash among both, that is socialist and the communist. Students, later Spartacists, they founded the Communist Party of Germany. Now, because of this conflict, Hitler took advantage and which was prevailing in Germany at that time. Now students, we will discuss about economic crisis. Germany had fought the war largely on loans and had to pay war reparations in gold. This depleted gold reserves at a time resources were scarce. In 1923, Germany refused to pay and the French occupied its leading industrial area, Ruhr, to claim their coal. So, Germany retaliated with printed paper currency recklessly. Now, with too much printed money in circulation, the value of German mark fell. As the value of mark collapsed, prices of goods soared up. Now Germans, they were carrying carts loads of currency notes to buy a loaf of bread. It was widely evoking sympathy worldwide. This crisis came to be known as hyperinflation. It is a situation when prices rise too high. In sympathy, US helped Germany by introducing Davis Plan, which eased the financial burden on Germans.